past summer, and this little box is pretty simple. It says 30 degrees C on there. It will make sure that it's 30 degrees C in that hole, that guy. So I know for a fact that that guy's seeing 30 degrees C. Now I don't think in C, at least not that C. I think in the programming language C. But if I go over here to my spreadsheet, which I love, my 30 degrees C tells me here that that's probably the temperature in Fahrenheit.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Okay, great.
That's just Excel translating.
It's just Excel. We do a lot. We do a lot with Excel here. And you'll learn that. I guess you'll do Excel in the first semester, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So what the other student was doing in C programming language to convert
Okay.
Celsius to Fahrenheit.
That's right.
He just does with a
Yeah.
formula in Excel.
Oh, not that simple. Okay. So this guy now does this guy read temperature? No. It's an electronic device. It does voltage or current or something, but it's a very, very small amount of voltage, and that's not a good way to try to send it very far. So we have this little blue box here, which is called a transmitter. It will read this very tiny voltage in, and out through here, going over to the industrial computer here, it sends current. And this little card right here can detect how much current it is. And if I go over here to this little guy, and this is how I write code for a PLC, another type of language you have to learn here. And it tells me here that this 898, that's the numeric value coming out of the analog card. What's 898 mean? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. But I go back to my spreadsheet again, and up here I know what the minimum temperature the thermocouple or the RTD can read. I know what the maximum is. I know how many ticks. I do some mathematical formulas and compute how much, a calculation if it will. And basically I can go through all this this is a series of calculations on a PLC. And it claims, unfortunately, that it says the temperature is 74.2.
Okay.
That's not good, So what do? Well, I got two choices. It could be that this 12 degree difference, it could be that for all temperatures, this thing's always off by 12 degrees. If that's the case, I can fix that inside the computer, no problem. A worst case would be as I change different temperatures, it's off by different amounts. I can take care of that too with a line equation. But, okay.
If it's
So,
linear.
It's linear, or even, I got all kinds of ways of slime this, but the point is you need to know how to do the math, and you got to do the programming to implement it, and you got to have basic electronics to wire this kind of stuff up. The stuff that you learn in first semester electronics, you have to understand to do something like this, because when we first built the system, nothing worked. One of the problems we had was with this guy. Do you think that board's going to work? No.
Did somebody take something to it or did it fry on its own?
I think that was an old card I brought from home.